coach and managers to assemble in the queue so that our dancer may put you Arunai, which is a big and a good reflection of Bodo culture, and of course it's a lifeline of Bodos. So please get ready our dancers and youngsters to put them Arunai.
Nah, bitingnya winner team Gujarat 7 goal sobai. Tapi sebuah Gujarat kuahai Arunai ganhan gitu.
Please come closer. Thank you. You managers and coach, please you be also in the queue so that we can felicitate you all.
Pondesurinya.
Please start giving our Arunai. And thank you all the referees, sitting on the dais and on the dais, for being here with us in this sporting game. And we hope you all will remember us once in the blue world. Bitamuna, modal जोंनि गेम को हाय सामलाय लांनायनि थाखाय आरो गासैबो उन्दै नोंथांमोननिसिम मोनसे गिदिर
डांस करो डांस करो डांस करो डांस करो डांस करो
बिथांमोनखौ उत्साह होनायनि थाखाय इनभाइट खालामनायनि थाखाय
Pondesurinya. आरोना कैसा लगा? आरोना को कैसा लगा? अच्छा लगा ना?
Deputed over here in this tournament to conduct this very game from their side. They want to celebrate our
winner team 7 goal score kalamdeng bisoro hai.
Mr. Lukiram Borgo, who is with us now. So now I would like to request from referee side to felicitate Mr. Lukiram Borgo. Thank you. It's a great pleasure for us. We will carry forward this legacy for the days to come. Thank you. With this, we would like to conclude our program.
Sir, कैमरा नॉले सर. मिलेगा सर जरूर. रेफरी भी सर नहीं.